In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration, exercise 3.3, question 6. And the question we have, integral of x plus b dx divided by x square plus 2bx plus c raised to power 1 by 2. Right, so first of all, I told you have to see if we will consider the denominator as a function, whether we have the derivative in the numerator or not. So suppose here I am going to consider y. If I say y is equal to x square 2 plus 2bx plus c without the power, we have to substitute without the power. So dy by dx, now you should know very well how to take the derivatives. This power will become the coefficient x and one power will reduce. So 2 minus 1 will be 1 plus 2b and the constant c of is 0. So if I take 2 as a common, we have x plus b here, and here we have dy by dx. So see, here we have x plus b dx, x plus b. Here we have 2x, 2 into x plus b. So it means we do not have 2 here. So what we will do, cross multiply it, it will be dy by 2 equal to x plus b dx. So this dx will move here and this 2 will come there. So in this way we have two separate variable, one on the left hand side, other is on the right hand side. So x plus b into dx, x plus b into dx is equal to dy by 2. Instead of this, I can write down dy by 2. Instead of x plus b dx, we have proved here. Divided by, see, x square plus 2bx plus c is equal to y. In the power is 1 by 2 because we have substitute without the power. This 2 is constant. We will take as outside the integral sign. Here we have dy 1 over 2, and here we will, the next step, we will, sorry, this is the integral sign. Here this is positive, we will take in the numerator, then the sign will change, dy. So this is our function and the derivative is there. So the integration is very easy. We will use the formula 1 over 2. You have to add 1 power, right? And then you have to divide with the new power. It is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2, 1 over 2 plus c. So this 1 over 2 will cancel 1 over 2. Remaining we have y raised to power, I will do here, y raised to power 1 over 2 plus c. But our question is not finished because we have supposed y is equal to x square plus 2bx plus c. So you have to put the value of y here, which is x square plus 2bx plus c, and then 1 over 2. In order to differentiate between this c and this c, you can write down constant of integration 1, and this is your answer. So one more time I will explain to you. First of all, you have to see whether you have the derivative of the function in the numerator or not. And we did this. We, after this, putting the values, take the integration. Right here we have the function and the derivative is also available. So the integration is very easy. You have to add 1 power. But still, if you have any question, any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.